Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 15th, 2025, and we're diving into Xunlei's first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Xunlei, a leading technology company in China, has just released its Q1 2025 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Xunlei reported total revenues of $88.8 million for the first quarter, marking a 10.5% increase year over year. John, can you break down these numbers for us?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 7.7% increase in subscription revenues, reaching $35.7 million. However, despite the revenue growth, Xunlei reported a net loss of $0.9 million compared to a net income of $3.6 million in the same period last year. This shift is largely due to increased operating expenses and a decrease in gross profit margin.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the challenges, Xunlei's gross profit increased by 2.9% to $44.1 million. However, the gross margin decreased to 49.7%. What are the implications of this, John?
The decrease in gross margin from 53.3% last year to 49.7% this quarter is concerning. It indicates increased costs, particularly in the cloud computing segment, which faced pricing pressure and competition. Looking ahead, Xunlei's guidance for Q2 2025 estimates revenues between $91 million and $96 million, suggesting a positive outlook.
Strategic initiatives and market expansion. Xunlei's live streaming and other services saw a significant revenue increase of 66% year over year. How is the company leveraging this growth?
The live streaming segment's growth to $28.4 million is impressive and reflects Xunlei's successful expansion into overseas markets. The strategic acquisition of Hupu is also a pivotal move to diversify revenue streams and strengthen their market presence. However, cloud computing revenues declined by 18%, highlighting challenges in that area.
Key takeaways. In summary, Xunlei has shown strong revenue growth but faces challenges with profitability. Their strategic focus on market expansion and acquisitions like Hupu are promising. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you. Xunlei's efforts to diversify and expand internationally are key to their future success. Investors should watch how these strategies unfold in the coming quarters.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Xunlei's performance in the comments below.